Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly master push or pull tool in material and component? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. In the Design tool, select Advanced Tool and click to enter Material and Component. Use the straight line or rectangle or circle or arc tool to draw shapes on the wall. Select the Push or Pull tool and click the surface of the shape. Choose the stretch direction according to your design, drag to the appropriate position and left-click to apply. You can also enter a precise distance in the bottom left corner to stretch. A positive number stretches in the direction of the mouse, while a negative number stretches in the opposite direction. After pushing or pulling the first surface to the required height, for the next surface, simply double-click and it will execute the same extrusion as the previous height. That's all. Thanks for watching.